Air conditioning, I just filled it up with R12. Got it on. Got the temperature sensor in there. We got 38 degrees Fahrenheit coming out of the dash right there. 38.5, 38.4 degrees coming out of the dash. It's 92 degrees or 93 degrees outside. Where's outside? Right. Hey. Okay, it's supposed to be 90. It's 92 or 93 degrees outside. We got 11.3 psi. That's the low side pressure, 12 psi. Factory specification is 12 psi. Look at the liquid side. We're just around 197, 195. But wait a minute. It's 92 degrees outside. How can I have 200 psi on the low side, on the high side, and 12 psi on the low side? That has to be wrong. That's what the experts tell me on YouTube and Facebook. 37 degrees out of the dash. The inside cab temperature is right here off the rear seat. It's 76 degrees inside the cabin here. 92 degrees outside. 37 degrees out the dash. And hey, how about that chart from AC Pro and Ardent Air and all those wizards who use the downloaded pressure temperature chart to tell you what the low side should be and the high side should be. According to that chart, I should keep on squirting in some cans of refrigerant in here to make the low side and high side come up, because it's 92, 93 degrees outside, and this doesn't match what the experts say. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Don't listen to experts.